Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again at OptionAlpha.com, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to backtest any technical analysis indicator in less than 35 seconds. So let's first go to my personal trading platform, and then we're going to start the timer to get this thing going. But watch carefully because I'm also going to show you how one little tweak in our backtesting settings created a 100% plus increase in the potential profit if we use the technical indicator just slightly different. All right, so we're right here on my Thinkorswim platform now, and we're actually going to be looking at Google. So this is a stock that we're going to analyze, and this is actually, I believe, 5 years worth of data. So let me just double check here. Yeah, 5 years worth of trading data for Google. And what we're going to do is once I start this timer, we're going to overlay a MACD moving average convergence divergence indicator, which is a very common, very popular indicator. It's one that I use all the time. And we're going to overlay that on the chart, and we're going to backtest a MACD indicator over the last 5 years of trading signals to see if it gives us a profit or not. So as we throw a MACD up here, you could probably see, and I'll just kind of quickly show you what the real indicator looks like here. So we'll just add real quick a MACD histogram, and we're going to add that study to the chart, and we're going to click OK. So down here below, you can see this is what that MACD looks like. It has all of the different lines and indicators. And so what we're going to do is we're going to backtest this strategy instead of looking back and kind of eyeballing it and say, okay, maybe I sell here and then I buy here, or whatever the case is. Instead of eyeballing it, we're actually just going to really just test it out and say, all right, you know what? How much money could I have made or lost trading Google with MACD over the last year? So I'm just going to remove this study real quick, get everything set up, and then we're going to go ahead and start the timer. So I'm going over here to online stopwatch, and we're just going to type in 35 seconds. And so as soon as I hit this timer and get it going, it's going to start. I'm going to head back over, add it, do the back testing, and come back and stop this. All right, here we go. All right, so the timer's going. So we're just going to go up here to studies. We're going to go to edit studies. We're going to drag this thing over, go to strategies, type in MACD, double click on this. We're just going to edit one quick thing in here and do 15 and 30 for our settings. We're going to click OK, click apply and OK. That's going to add all the signals in here. We're going to right click on here, one of these signals, and say show report. And immediately it shows us a report that if we use this signal, our total P&L over 175 trades is $6,353. Boom, done it. In less than 35 seconds, we've shown you exactly how we were able to go back and backtest 5 years worth of data in Google. And again, if I did it really quick, you can go back and watch the video again, but it's truly 35 seconds. You can time it yourself. But let's actually go back here and just take a look at this here for a second. So this is a complete trading report and history for this MACD signal that we set up in Google. So it goes over this time period from 3/25/2010 all the way till today, present day, as far as the last trading alert that we had. And right now I'm recording this video at the end of February, so it's had the last trading alert was in January. And you can see down at the bottom that our total P&L after all of the trades, open, close, profit, loss, whatever, is $6,353. And that's after placing 175 orders over the last 5 years. So really, really powerful that you can go back now and see that this one indicator is responsible for very large, consistent profits in Google in particular. Now, here's the thing I want to do. I actually just want to go here and I want to change this study up just a little bit. So instead of actually doing the study settings at 15 and 30, I'm just going to tweak it by a little bit. And so this is that tweak that I was talking about earlier. And we're going to change this to 12 and 26. And just a very small tweak in how the indicator reacts to the market and what signals it gives. Now you can see that all these new indicators and kind of lines are on the chart. And these are all the little signals, whether it's a buy signal or a sell signal. They're all these little signals as to when you should get in or out of this stock. Now all I do is just right click on any of these signals and click show report. Now again, we just tweak this just a little bit and it's going to give us more trading signals, but now you can see that small tweak is now responsible for a total P&L of more than $13,930. So a huge difference, almost 100% plus difference in our total P&L with one small tweak to how we show and how we do backtesting. And again, it's not that we made drastically more trades. We only made about 20 more trades, but the number or profit that we had or potentially could have had by making all these trades is drastically different. So it really goes to show you that you have to test and kind of backtest all of this stuff. This is just one example on one stock, but please use this as a tool going forward to backtest some of your favorite stocks that you have out there with different strategies. If you want to test RSI or CCI, there's tons of different strategies that you can test. But again, this is a really great starting point to going back and backtesting different strategies to see what really works. All right, so that was pretty sweet, right? I mean, now imagine combining that with learning how to trade options, and you've got a pretty powerful system on your hands. So at this point, you've got to decide, right? You can rely on random shot-in-the-dark stock picks and trades, hoping you'll make money long term, or you can recognize the huge opportunity that options trading presents and start making smarter decisions with your money, using data and case studies like the one we just looked at in Google to make smarter decisions about how you invest your money. So of course, you can sign up for a membership here at Option Alpha. There's 2 different membership levels that we have, and they're outlined below this video. We've got tons of raving fans, lots of testimonials from people who love being part of our membership. Not only the free membership, which gives you access to a lot of our free tutorials and guides, but also our exclusive premium membership where you get our daily trading alerts, weekly strategy calls, and monthly coaching sessions. Again, share this video with your followers and fans online if you thought it was really helpful. Help us spread the word about what we're doing here at Option Alpha. And then, of course, also grab a free copy of our Ultimate Option Strategy Guide right below.